Hello everyone, this is Abhinav from Namaste Fragrance and welcome to my channel for yet another review. Today we are going to talk about a fragrance from the very popular Indian fashion accessories brand Fastrack. So Fastrack started as a sub-brand of Titan watches in 1998. People in India are very familiar with the brand Titan watches. Fastrack since 2005 became an independent fashion accessories brand in India, which is focused towards the youth. All their products are focused towards the Generation Z, the Gen Z, the Millennials. So in 2019, they first launched the fragrance line, and they have around 7 fragrances in their lineup, and one of them is Solo. This is the only unisex fragrance in their lineup and also the most expensive one. But considering their target audience, I think it's a good thing that they managed to keep the price under ₹1,000, that is around $12. So with that out of the way, let's get into the fragrance. So as always, we'll start with the presentation. This is the box, this is the front. They have used some really nice bright colors, and you can see from the box design that this is marketed towards a younger crowd. It's quite vibrant, it's very edgy, the design, the pattern. Okay, let's see the bottle. I personally like the bottle design. This is the bottle. All the fragrances in this line have this kind of design, only the pattern over here is different and the colors are different. This bottle design reminds me of the JBL Pulse speakers, Bluetooth speakers. So this is how actually it is. The atomizer on this one is not great. You can see it puts out these small puffs of juice, but for this price I was not any which ways expecting much. So let's get into the notes of this fragrance. There is no proper note breakdown given for this fragrance. From the description that they have on their website, I can say it has some vanilla and some mixed fruit accords in the opening, in the top. It has some rose and some pepper in the mid, and the base is amber, woods and patchouli. So when you first spray this fragrance, this comes across as a very fruity, creamy gourmand fragrance with a hint of rose. Okay, when I first smelled this reminded me of a bowl of mixed fruit custard. I don't know if you guys remember this, but this reminded me of that. The creaminess of this fragrance is very body lotion type of creaminess. When I first smelled this, the creaminess of this fragrance with the rose reminded me of this one. This is a body lotion, rose body lotion by Bath and Body Works. Okay, the opening, the creaminess is very similar to that one. On my skin, I barely get any spices. This is a very sweet fragrance, and it stays sweet throughout its life. In the dry down, you get a little bit of woody notes, but it's a very generic woody dry down. Nothing special about it. By that time, the fragrance becomes more of a skin scent, and you will have to be really close to the skin to be able to pick up that woody characteristic of the fragrance. But the interesting thing here is that the quality of the juice is very good for the price. I was really surprised by this fragrance for 2 reasons. First is the quality of the juice. The second one is the performance. For a fragrance that is costing just under ₹1,000, the performance is not bad at all. If you follow us on Instagram, you will know that I have been testing this fragrance for over a week now, and off my skin I've got around 4 to 5 hours of longevity with around 25 to 30 minutes of projection. This does not project like a beast, but you will keep getting whiffs of this fragrance while you're moving. And if you want to squeeze out more performance from this fragrance, let me tell you that this fragrance stays a little bit longer on your clothes than your skin. In terms of wearability, I will recommend that you wear this in cold weather or in the night, just because of how sweet this fragrance is. You can also wear this if you are in an air-conditioned environment. I think that will work, but I will not recommend this in summers or hot days, or if you're working out or if you're going to sweat. This fragrance is going to be a bit too much and might bother other people around you. And if you are anyone who is not a teenager, who is an office going person, who is a bit matured, you are not going to like this fragrance. So don't even bother to pick this up, because this is definitely a fragrance that is very much focused towards college students or younger crowds. Should you buy this? I will say yes, definitely. If you are someone who likes creamy, almost skin lotion type sweet fragrances, then you should definitely go for this. And considering that it is just under rupees 1000, that is around $11-12 US, this is a good buy. This is a great buy. The performance is good, the quality of the juice is good for the price. I think this can be a good first fragrance if you have never smelled a gourmand fragrance before and you are new to that type of fragrance, that type of scent. This can potentially also be a good cheap alternative to fragrances like Signorina from the house of Salvatore Ferragamo, Dolce & Gabbana Parfum, Jaipur by Boucheron, which are usually on an average priced between 5,000 to 6,000 Indian rupees, that is around 70 to 80 US dollars. There's only one catch. Although this is marketed as a unisex fragrance, I think this leans more towards the feminine side of fragrances rather than being unisex. Okay, in terms of pricing, I have already mentioned that this is just under rupees 1000. So the price for this Solo, which is the most expensive one in the lineup, is 995 Indian rupees, that is around $12 US. But if you buy right now, there is currently a discount going on Fast Track fragrances. You can get this for around 700 rupees, that is around $10. And I think this is a great purchase for that price, only if you like these type of creamy sweet gourmand fragrances. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, a sub would be highly appreciated. And if there are any other fragrances that you want me to check out, please do let me know in the comments below, and all the links for this fragrance will be down in the description. And till then guys, stay safe. Smell you later. Namaste.